Okay, this is my setup so far. I put all my blueberries that were in pots underneath this tarp or this insect netting because we want blueberries this year. And looking through, there's a few that's ready, but those are almost ready, and we have a few that are very ready. So unsnap this and let's take a peek under the hood, see what's going on. Okay, first harvest 2024. Bugs got to that one. This is not my normal setup, but it's going to have to work for now as far as filming. Look at that. This is the most blueberries I've ever picked. And actually, this would probably be the first time I tasted these. This is the off of the, let's see what blueberry bush this is, if it has a name. She doesn't have a name. So I have no idea what type of blueberries these are. But that's what we have so far. I'm going to continue picking. Okay, just wrapping up the video. This is what I have. Nice little handful. Not bad. First time harvest. I was able to pick some before, a couple of years ago, but I didn't get a chance to eat them. They sat in the refrigerator. They went bad, but not these. These are gonna go to work. Not these. These are gonna go into a meal, maybe some oatmeal. Thanks for watching.